Thyroid, iodine, HRTs, protein, the amount of fat or what fat does to the body. Let's get into it. Welcome everyone to my very controversial channel. Now I'm going to go over some of the top concerns that people are talking about on a ketogenic and carnivore diet. A lot of people, well, actually it's the minority, but there are some people who push back very hard when I say stop taking iodine. Well, Lugos drops in your coffee. Also things like eat a lot of protein, fat's going to make you diabetic, take our HRTs, intermittent fast. These are some of the trending subjects that people become very confused about. Now, I'm going to do a deep dive on Elizabeth Bright's, and I got some good stuff here, my people, on Elizabeth Bright's theories on how to deal with a ketogenic diet, carnivore diet, or even the thyroid. Now, Elizabeth Bright was instantly on my radar when I would get people who she coaches, which I'm going to interview one. So you don't necessarily have to listen to me. I got a person who's going to blow the freaking lid off the whole shite. Every single person that she has coached that have come to me, and there are many, she has prescribed thyroid medication. Some of them were actually hypothyroid, Hashimoto's, and some of them were not. She's still prescribing this expensive, desiccated thyroid coming out of Europe. There are people that I've coached where she is snappy, irritable, and has stopped working with people when they start to develop health issues from her recommendations. Yet I find people in my comment section still harassing the ass out of me. Not really, because they can say whatever they want, but there's still people just, these are doctors, are they all wrong? Look at the scientists and doctors that are having you guys take all these right in the shoulder swords, I call them, in the shoulder, right? How many people are being told to take blood pressure medication and thyroid medication and high doses of vitamin D and so many medications, antibiotics for everything that's a problem, HRTs, antibiotics, without anything natural first. Just, here you go, take this product. And therefore, I'm confused on how people are like challenging me when the only people who I get my information from are the people that I work with. That's it. A lot of these studies are funded by the companies that are pushing products. So we already know we have to be careful with sites like PubMed or certain studies. I remember the first ketogenic study. It was a twin study. It was a 30-day study. Well, we know you can't get into ketosis in 30 days. And the one twin did a ketogenic diet and the other twin did not. If we were to go off of that study, we'd all be in trouble. Because no way in hell are you going to be in ketosis in a month. Also, what kind of fats? How much protein? A lot of these people doing these studies don't even know how to do the ketogenic diet. So you can consistently do things wrong. Use beta-hydroxybutyrate salts. Use coconut oil. Nobody ever adapts. Their hair starts falling out. And they say, well, look at this study. This person didn't do a ketogenic diet and they're fine. I'm going to be breaking down this thyroid obsession to throw medication at you guys, or the ones who've been on it for so long and their thyroid starts to atrophy, from people who think that fasting is the shizness and they always look sick. What person fasting from the 40s, 50s, 60s, and 70s look friggin' amazing without taking any type of HRT? Full natty. So you got to be very careful. You have to, basically it comes down to you guys doing your own experimentation, because it really doesn't matter what somebody else says. If you want to fast or if you want to eat a bunch of protein and you think that you're great, have at it. But for those who are struggling, which I'm sorry, they are the majority. That's why these people find me, and the right people find me, and the people don't resonate, you can move on. So I'm going to continue to break down things. So I'm starting sort of with the thyroid and Elizabeth Bright. I'm going to do a deep dive on her. You have to be careful with the Lugos iodine. It's concentrated iodine. There's a person, I think I'm going to upload this, talking about, it even says on the bottle to dilute this. Too much iodine, synthetic, right? Potassium iodide, basically made in a lab, right? Too much iodine, and not enough selenium, and you don't eat Brazil nuts. Nuts have phytic acid, so it's contrary to balancing your iodine and selenium, which is why some seafoods like sardines, which they're in cans, which is not my favorite, sardines and oysters and things of this nature have the balance of both. They're learning how to find the balance between eating liver and, let's say, seaweed or sea moss gel. I will go more into all of these things, like fasting, like thyroid issues, like blood sugar dysregulation, not losing weight, losing muscle, becoming dehydrated. These are major subjects, and this is just part one, and it's already too long, so you know this is going to be a lot of parts. Comment below. How do you feel? Do you feel amazing on taking drops and drops and drops of iodine without enough balance of selenium already balanced with iodine? Do you feel like your thyroid's perfect? Do you poop every day? I'm just saying, do you glow? Do you have energy? Do you crush the gym with new numbers? Comment below, or are you struggling? My Instagram is Stephanie Ketogenic, Facebook fan page, Stephanie Business Person. I gotta go get hay in another town, so comment below. Talk to me. Do you want to know more about these subjects, and which one do you feel like you need more information? I do consultations. I've been doing this a long time. I've gone through thousands of people, and I'm not going to sell you a bunch of garbage. I'll tell you what, I'm not going to have you go buy something in Europe really, really expensive to keep me in business, as you guys can see. The fact that I don't promote anything right now should tell you something, since I've been on the internet since 2010. Wake up, people. And I'm out. Energy. Peace. Oh, you can find me on Instagram, Stephanie Ketogenic, Facebook fan page, Stephanie Business Person. If you want to sign up for my course, where now I don't coach one diet, I coach all three, which is what all the gurus should do. You can sign up at stephanieperson.com. And I'm out, guys. Life is good.